Discover the top 10 most popular foods in Canada, from iconic comfort meals to delicious traditional dishes loved nationwide. Canadian cuisine reflects a rich blend of cultures, featuring favorites like poutine, butter tarts, and maple syrup treats. Whether you're a food lover or planning to visit Canada, this list will guide you through must-try meals that define the country's culinary identity. Watch till the end to explore these tasty Canadian classics and find out which dish you should try first on your food journey. Number 10. Montreal smoked meat. Montreal smoked meat is a flavorful deli dish made from cured and smoked beef brisket. It is typically served in sandwiches with mustard on rye bread. Known for its rich taste and tender texture, this dish is a staple in Montreal's food scene. Often compared to pastrami, it has its own unique spice blend and preparation method. Montreal smoked meat reflects the city's cultural diversity and culinary heritage, making it a must-try for food lovers visiting Canada. Number 9. Beaver tails. Beaver tails are a famous Canadian pastry shaped like a beaver's tail. Made from fried dough, they are topped with sweet ingredients like cinnamon sugar, chocolate, or fruit. This treat is especially popular at festivals and tourist spots. Despite its playful name, beaver tails are a delicious dessert loved by people of all ages. They represent Canada's fun and creative street food culture, making them a must-try for anyone looking to enjoy a unique and tasty Canadian snack. Number 8. Split pea soup. Split pea soup is a traditional Canadian dish with roots in French cuisine. Made with dried peas, ham, and vegetables, it is thick, hearty, and perfect for cold weather. This soup is especially popular in Quebec and is often served as a comfort meal during winter. Its rich flavor and nutritious ingredients make it a staple in many households. Split pea soup reflects Canada's history and its focus on simple, wholesome foods that provide warmth and nourishment. Number 7. Canadian pizza. Canadian pizza is known for its unique combination of toppings like pepperoni, mushrooms, and bacon. While inspired by Italian cuisine, it has developed its own identity in Canada. The crust is often thick and chewy, with generous toppings that create a rich and satisfying flavor. Pizza is extremely popular across the country, with many regional variations. Canadian pizza reflects the country's multicultural influence and love for hearty meals, making it a staple food enjoyed by people of all ages. Number 6. Tourtière. Tourtière is a traditional French-Canadian meat pie, commonly enjoyed during holidays and special occasions. Made with minced pork, beef, or game meat, it is seasoned with spices and baked in a flaky crust. Originating from Quebec, this dish carries deep cultural significance and is often served during Christmas. Tourtière offers a rich and savory flavor that highlights Canada's French heritage. It remains a cherished comfort food, connecting generations through tradition and family gatherings across the country. Number 5. Peameal Bacon Sandwich. The peameal bacon sandwich is a Toronto specialty featuring juicy, cornmeal-crusted bacon served in a soft bun. Often topped with mustard or pickles, it offers a simple yet flavorful experience. This sandwich is especially popular at St. Lawrence Market and is considered a must-try street food. Unlike traditional bacon, peameal bacon is lean and tender, giving it a unique taste. It reflects Canada's love for hearty, satisfying meals that are both convenient and delicious for locals and tourists alike. Number 4. Nanaimo Bars. Nanaimo bars are a no-bake dessert named after the city of Nanaimo in British Columbia. They consist of 3 layers, a crumbly base, creamy custard-flavored filling, and a smooth chocolate topping. Rich and indulgent, these bars are loved for their unique texture and flavor combination. Nanaimo bars are widely available across Canada and are a favorite at bakeries and cafes. They represent Canada's creative dessert culture and are a must-try for anyone with a sweet tooth. Number 3. Maple Syrup Treats. Canada produces most of the world's maple syrup, making it a key part of its cuisine. Maple syrup is used in pancakes, waffles, desserts, and even savory dishes. Maple taffy, made by pouring hot syrup on snow, is a popular winter treat. Its rich, natural sweetness reflects Canada's deep connection to its forests and traditions. Maple-based foods are not just delicious but also symbolic of Canadian identity, making them a must-try experience for anyone exploring the country's culinary culture. Number 2. Butter Tarts. Butter tarts are a classic Canadian dessert known for their sweet, gooey filling made from butter, sugar, and eggs. Encased in a flaky pastry shell, they are simple yet incredibly delicious. Some versions include raisins or pecans, sparking debate among Canadians about the best variation. Originating in Ontario, butter tarts have become a beloved treat nationwide. They are commonly found in bakeries and festivals, making them a must-try dessert that showcases Canada's rich baking tradition and love for sweet indulgence. Number 1. Poutine. Poutine is Canada's most iconic dish, originating from Quebec. It features crispy fries topped with fresh cheese curds and rich brown gravy. The combination creates a savory, comforting meal that's loved across the country. Variations now include toppings like pulled pork, bacon, or even lobster. Poutine perfectly represents Canadian comfort food culture and is a must-try for anyone visiting Canada. From street food stalls to fine dining restaurants, this dish has become a national favorite and a symbol of Canadian cuisine worldwide. Canada's food scene is diverse, delicious, and deeply rooted in tradition and culture. Each dish tells a story of the country's rich heritage. These top 10 foods offer something for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing food content from around the world.